Tonight I'm button gear.
They got me for my phone.
Extendo! Salami lid won't fit. Won't fit. Because the salami lid ain't gonna fit. Won't fit. Because the salami lid won't fit. Because the salami lid ain't gonna fit.
All right, y'all. Welcome back to Operation No Head again, where we're dealing with this thing once more. To be honest, I really don't know how I'm gonna go about getting the heads off. Well, we kind of forgot the jack, and we're just gonna try to wing it. We're getting the exhaust and whatnot off. I'm very tired. That's why I'm talking like this. So yeah. Anyway, yeah. What?
They got me for my phone.
Dog, what the fuck?
Extendo! So I found out what we're gonna do. We gone. Pull the head bolts on this side, take all the rockers out, the cam caps, all that jazz that we already did on this side. And then, yeah, he looking for an extendo. Extendo! He got the foams! He got the foams! Ah! Yeah, I guess I got the plastic bag for the...
Dog, you will not believe what I found.
What?
Extendo!
Extendo! Hold on. What'd you just say?
I didn't say nothing. I don't know what the hell you talking about.
Well, anyways.
This hoe is on here tight as a bitch.
As he said, he gonna bust this hole open as if he's jizzing a load. Oh, hello there. Yo, it's a...
Start doing jumping jacks.
No, don't do that.
Start doing jumping jacks.
Chill out.
Whole car
Relax. The head bolt didn't have the foams.
This head bolt is not moving.
The head bolt didn't have the foams.
I'm on there.
1, 2, 3, 4 big guys.
Sí se puede, con ganas.
And they bust out my eyes.
What the fuck are you
My ass is like apple pie. He got it loose. He got it loose.
Can I get some?
Grandma
Can I get
loose
some?
or?
Oh, Jesus.
What?
Right?
Oh, Jesus.
Hold up. He ain't got the foams, bro. That's what's wrong. You know what he got? 2006 Honda Civic. 2006 Honda
This is not a Honda Civic.
Timias.
I forget which way it's loose. Bro got the coilovers on a wheelchair.
You got the bags.
He got the bags. He got the foams.
All right.
It's fucking supercharged. Supercharged.
Come on. Yeah.
Yeah, Black Power strength.
Whoopsie. Bro got the box with no tools. Bro got the box with no tools. He got the box with no tools. That's why you got head gasket problems. It was easier.
It was not easy.
You know why it was easier?
That shit was not easy.
It ain't got no foams. It ain't got no foams.
Damn it.
It ain't got no
Today's
foams.
episode of The Struggle is actually real.
So we got this camera here. It's got a good view of T's ass.
What is wrong with you?
Me? What's wrong with me is... Oh, I got the foams. Never mind.
That's crazy.
I don't know what's wrong.
Okay, that's loose.
Wow. Bro really went...
Wiped out, dog.
Okay, wait. So what's the problem? What's the problem?
All right, so basically, the carbonated. No, I'm just kidding. This battery tray is in the way. I can't get this in here. However,
The bolts on these things are rusted
to shit.
out.
So we're not removing that because I'm not adding on to the parts list. And yeah,
Yeah, it's so dusty.
because the car
I can't even snap.
The car is old.
The car is... What is this?
What is this? I don't know. Oh no.
You should run a Carfax on this thing.
Maybe.
Can't we do that from hardware?
I mean, if you want to do it right now, do it.
I'm not paying for it.
Oh, I'm not paying for it either. I ain't paying for this shit.
I paid for one on my Prelude, and it's had 2 owners before me.
You know you can write down the VIN and look it up tomorrow at work, right?
No.
Which is wild.
That only shows you service. It doesn't show you like accidents or anything. In order to access the stuff that have accidents,
He doesn't
you
want
gotta
to
pay
pay for a
it.
Carfax. Which is fair.
Paying for car. Paying for. That's like paying for Ancestry.com.
I mean, I paid for 23andMe. That's how I found out I'm actually 60% Hispanic. But I look white.
I do. on a side note, I do want to know more about my people, but like, I ain't paying for it. What the hell? Let me put this over here so it doesn't fall off into the.
Bro didn't have any foams.
Be stronger.
So we using this.
Yeah, we using that. My bad. I had the
Really
camera all over here.
inexpensive, but we're using it as one anyways.
Yeah.
Because of that stupid little battery bolt.
Yeah, that is what's going down right now. I know you can't see nothing.
I got it.
I would turn the flash on, but like, I don't know how to iPhone. So, yeah.
Bro ain't got no phones.
On to the rescue.
There we go.
There we go.
That's pretty lit that you came up with the light. Okay, forget I ever said that. And
Timias.
why are these bolts so fucking long?
That's what
Shut
she
up.
said. I don't want to shut up. We finally found out what they got me for my phones means.
No, you finally found out what they got me for my phone's meetings.
Yes, I did.
Yes, you did. Anyway, explain to the class.
So, they knocked him down for his sneakers. Or in other words, they knocked me down for my sneakers because they got me for my phones.
And that is why you don't go to Section 8 neighborhoods.
Fifth Ward. Woo!
Motherfucker. Ugh. Damn. All right.
Thing longer than me.
Can't relate.
Bro got the BBs.
I know like ain't nothing wrong with it, but obviously this ain't getting reused. So
Well, duh, it's a head stud. Here, wait. Let me.
I'm gonna toss it.
I was gonna toss it.
Go ahead. I'll let you do the honors. Go ahead. Go ahead. Mic drop.
You know what's wrong with it?
You
know what's wrong with it?
No gas in it.
And in a 2006 Honda Civic, 2006 Honda Civic, 2006 Honda Civic, 2006 Honda Civic, 2006
I'd
Honda
rather-
Civic, 2006 Honda Civic, 2006 Honda Civic, 2006 Honda Civic, 2006 Honda Civic.
So this is off topic. This ain't about my car. It's about a different car. So Jeep Wranglers, the alternator is facing that way. Like the pulley, the belt, all that is facing that way. I
That's
find
so
that
stupid.
very weird.
That is so stupid.
Yeah, like who let them cook? But anyway, this ain't about me because my alternator's facing that way. So yeah,
He got the full. All right, you can do the honors this time.
another one.
So it turns out we forgot one, and it's still tight.
That's some bullshit.
Honestly, our channel is barely even working whenever we're on your car. It's just memes.
Yeah, because no one gives. I'm not gonna say that.
Nah, people, honestly, more people probably gonna watch this than the freaking. Actually, no, that's wrong. One of my Prelude videos got 1.8K. The last one we made for this got 16 views.
Yeah,
It's okay.
that's
We still building the channel.
I guess.
What?
Why would I say off-camera shit on camera?
I don't know, man. But like, we've only taken off like 6 head bolts. We probably got 5 minutes of content already. Why is that thing still tight?
Oh, I guess I did forget it. Please don't tell me the one under is one of the. Hold up. There's only one way to find out. There's only one way to find out. What is this? Oh, wait, hold up. I could be wrong. I forgot
This is a mini
two.
extension.
I forgot two.
Uh-oh. Alright, so we've decided he has the halo over his head, and I'm the evil one.
Yeah. Although
Yeah.
me spazzing out may say otherwise, but yeah.
I don't know, man. I think I'm a little more evil than that.
All right.
You see the heinous crimes I commit? Yeah. You know what? This is gonna be like a 10-minute video, and all we're doing is taking off 10 head studs.
Look, man, y'all gotta remember.
This is
I am still in my work uniform. I am extremely drained. So yeah, this is gonna be a slow process because I don't have energy like that. Plus, I am weak as hell. So like,
oh, I was meaning like we do more comedy on these style videos. So Some of my videos are more instructional, but when we're together, it's just straight comedy, you know?
Chaos. We love
Chaos.
We love chaos, right?
We love chaos. This shit running off of crack, piss, and LSD.
Oh!
Actually, that's more like the prelude. This thing's running on hopes and dreams. Actually, honestly, the prelude's also running on hopes and dreams.
This thing is.
This thing just ain't running.
Don't remind me.
What were you gonna say this thing's running on?
2 words. Jack shit.
Real.
I don't want to get tedious ass shit. I don't have to get.
We might have to take the battery tray out anyways.
Or cut the fucking head bolt in half since I'm fucking getting new ones anyway.
Yeah, I'll put it in games so you drop the other end of it and it don't come out. How close are we?
You were right. Why did I even think it? Why do I resort to violence?
We're honestly kind of
Why
close.
do I resort to violence so quickly? I need help. Just kidding. No, I don't. I'm perfectly sane.
Let me try. So, as you can see, this bolt kind of stuck.
Yeah.
And we gotta remove the battery tray, but we gotta drill it out because this thing too rusty.
Rusty, crusty, and dusty.
So, on that terrible disappointment and bombshell, we are gonna end. And this is Top Gear, Bottom Gear. Tonight on Bottom Gear, Richard drives a stick. Thank you for watching Bottom Gear. And that's all for tonight. Thank you and good night.